This video contains affiliate links. I have a relationship with the brands in this video and earn a referral fee when you shop through the links in the description below. So you're ready to launch your LLC, and you've probably narrowed it down to two of the absolute biggest names in the game, ZenBusiness and Bizee. In this showdown, we're going to put them head-to-head to figure out which one really gives you the best bang for your buck. Okay, here's how we're going to break it all down. First, we'll meet the contenders. Then we'll dive deep into pricing, check out their performance and support, weigh the pros and cons, and finally, I'll give you the final verdict on which one is right for you.
All right, first up, let's get to know the two companies we're looking at. Now, they both promise to make starting a business super easy, but you know what? They come from pretty different places. So in one corner, you've got ZenBusiness. They're kind of the new kid on the block, founded in 2015. They're what's called a public benefit corporation, which means they have a social mission and they're backed by a ton of venture capital. In the other corner, you have the veteran, Bizee. You might know them by their old name, Inkfile. They've been around since 2004, served over 1 million businesses, and did it all without outside funding.
Okay, let's get right into it with round one, pricing. This is where things get really interesting. On the surface, they look kind of similar, but trust me, the true cost for you can be worlds apart. So take a look. Both of them have that super tempting $0 basic package, right? You just pay the state fees. But here's the kicker. Look at the higher tiers. ZenBusiness's plans are annual subscriptions. You pay that every single year. Bizee's Gold and Platinum plans, they're one-time fees. That is a massive difference over the long haul. But honestly, the package price isn't even the whole story. Every single LLC legally needs a registered agent to handle official documents. And this is where the costs really diverge. Bizee comes out swinging with a pretty sweet deal. No matter which plan you pick, even the free one, they throw in the first year of registered agent service for $0. Absolutely free. ZenBusiness, on the other hand, takes a totally different path. With their starter plan, that registered agent service is going to set you back $199 right out of the gate. So much for a free plan, huh? And this just seals the deal for the long term. After that first year, Bizee's renewal is only $119. ZenBusiness keeps charging the full $199 year after year. That's a huge savings with Bizee over 5 years. So when you just look at the raw numbers, it's not even a contest. For its clear cost advantages on a service you absolutely have to have, Bizee takes round one, hands down. All right, now for round two, performance and support. I mean, a low price is great, but how do these guys actually deliver? We're talking speed, reliability, and what happens if you need help or something goes wrong.
When it comes to pure speed, Bizee has a slight edge right from the start. They promise to get your paperwork filed within 1 business day, which is awesome. ZenBusiness is a little bit slower on their basic plan.
But, and this is a big one, when you actually need to talk to a person, ZenBusiness just blows them away. Their support hours are way broader, including evenings and, get this, Sundays. For anyone building a business on the side, that weekend availability is a total lifesaver.
ZenBusiness also gives you this huge safety net. They have one of the best refund policies out there, period. You get a full 60 days to change your mind and ask for your money back. That's some serious confidence in their service.
Bizee, though, wow, it's incredibly restrictive. You can basically only get a refund before they've sent your paperwork to the state. And since they often file in under 24 hours, your window to change your mind is practically non-existent. That puts all the risk right on your shoulders.
So yeah, Bizee might be a bit faster on paper, but ZenBusiness offers far better support when you need it and a guarantee that actually protects you. For that critical peace of mind, ZenBusiness absolutely wins this round. All right, let's bring it all together. It's time to lay out the real-world pros and cons of each service. This is where we look at the features and what actual users are saying to help you make your final call. For Bizee, the advantages are all about your wallet. It is the budget champion, no question. The long-term value on the registered agent service is fantastic. Their pricing is easy to understand, and you only pay for compliance filings when you actually need them. But the trade-offs are pretty serious. Limited support hours are one thing, but that refund policy is a huge red flag. And what's really concerning are the online reports from users about critical filing mistakes and the company not taking responsibility. That kind of undermines their whole purpose.
ZenBusiness, on the other hand, is all about the user experience. You're paying for that amazing support, an ironclad guarantee, a great BBB rating, and their worry-free compliance service, which basically puts all your annual reports on autopilot.
It's designed for you to just not worry. Of course, that peace of mind comes with a bigger price tag. ZenBusiness is definitely more expensive, mostly because of that recurring $199 registered agent fee. And their compliance service is a subscription, which might feel like overkill if your state doesn't require annual reports. So, we've looked at cost, we've looked at support, we've weighed the pros and cons. Now for the moment of truth, the final verdict. Which one of these services should you choose for your new business? And you know what? It really boils down to this. If your number one priority is saving money and you're okay with taking on a little more risk, then Bizee is the clear choice. But if you value amazing support, a solid guarantee, and an all-in-one platform, and you're willing to pay a premium for it, then ZenBusiness is absolutely the way to go. So in the end, it really comes down to one simple question you have to ask yourself. What is more valuable for your new venture? Is it saving every possible dollar, even if that means more risk and more for you to manage? Or is it worth paying a premium for a partner who has your back and saves you from potential headaches down the road? The choice is all yours.